Hello, this is Tianjin Records Technology Co., Limited. Welcome to our channel. Let me go on showing you our products. This type is our handle hose clamp. It is also called hose clamp with thumb screws. These are double ear hose clamps. These are single ear hose clamps. These two types hose clamps are normally used for automotive repair, industrial piping, and agricultural irrigation. These clamps are also called worm drive hose clamps. They have different shape and double layer because of the special application and different shape pipes. They are also divided into American type hose clamps and Germany type hose clamps. Material includes W-True, W4. We also provide customized service. If you are interested, contact me and get more details.